If you have a problem with your vehicle, then Car Maintenance Centre Limited can help. All modern vehicles have onboard computers, often called electronic control units or ECUs. These ECUs control many of your vehicle's functions. When there's a problem with the vehicle, the ECU will often store a code indicating what the problem is. Our team of skilled and trained engineers can not only retrieve the code from the ECU in your vehicle, but also use their experience to diagnose the cause of the fault. We use the most up-to-date equipment. That means we can read ECUs and live data, as well as program many replacement ECUs. Our modern workshop is fully equipped with the latest diagnostic equipment, where we can work on your vehicle in a clean and tidy environment. So if you suspect there's a problem, or see a warning light, such as an engine management, ABS, oil or battery warning lamp, talk to our expert team. Car Maintenance Centre Limited. Call, email or visit our website today.